Hi everyone, Sid here back again with another video. In this video, we're going to discuss about how to upload image in Laravel 8. So using Ajax also. So here, I have already installed a Laravel in my system. So if you don't know how to install Laravel, first of all, you need to install Laravel. So if you want to learn about how to install Laravel, you can watch my previous video. I have already uploaded. So once you have successfully installed Laravel 8 in your machine, then you can check out this video. So we have here installed successfully Laravel 8 version, and I'm going to show you how this is working. Suppose I have put it here name, which is here real programmer. Let me type again real programmer. Once I put it the name, then I can select the any particular images. You can check we have the successfully uploaded, and also we getting here, and this file is storing inside the public folder. Let me show you. We have the file here public. Inside the public we have sub images folder, which is why uploading this particular image right now we have uploaded. So once we have done this kind of uh, activity, then what we need to do here again. So once I have added successfully submitted form, then what I need to do again, this is the right question. First of all, you need to install Laravel. Once you install the successfully Laravel, then you need to run migration command, which is PHP artisan make migration and migration name. Okay, so here migration name is Ajax underscore images something. Okay, Ajax underscore images. So here we need to write as a table, and before here as a create. So once you successfully submitted this command, then you need to create one model also. So I'm going to type here PHP artisan make colon model and model name. So here we have the name model, which is Ajax Ajax image. So you can write this kind of this particular lines of code. Then also we need to write for the creating controller, which is PHP artisan make controller. Let me try make controller and controller name. So we have the controller, and let me show you our controller. Inside of the controller we have employee images uploaded controller. So you need to write here like this one. So once you successfully uploaded created this particular line of code, then you need to go inside of the route. Okay, and also don't forget to migrate the command PHP artisan migrate. Okay, migrate. And once you particular run this command, before running this command you need to configure your database. Okay, configure your database, your db. Okay, your database. I'm going to write a db something. So you need to configure your db. So once you successfully run particular this command, then I am going to inside of the .env, you need to put your database credentials. Once you successfully submitted the credential, then you need to run this command, this command, this command, and this command. So now again, I am going to use route right now. Let me go inside the routes folder. Inside the routes, we have web.php. So friends, we have the web.php right now. So make sure whenever you want to call controller, you should implement namespace like this one. Okay, so once we have implemented like this one, we are using because of employee image uploaded controller. Okay, so once we have this particular controller, we have the implemented here, and in here we have also route. Inside the routes we have the employee image uploaded. So if anyone hitting using get method, then we calling directly controller and this particular function. So okay, we have the function name is employee image upload. Let me go inside the image employee image upload. Let me go, where is employee image? We have come here, we have the employee image controller, something like this one. So here we are uploading returning view basically. So once anyone hitting this particular function, then we are returning this view. We have also created this view, and also I'm going to show you how this is working. Let me go inside of the employee upload. Look, we have resources folder. Inside the resources folder we have also views folder. Inside of the views folder I have implemented like this particular lines of code. So let me go and explain you step by step what we're doing here. So friends, we have the title and also we have the bootstrap link we have implemented here. Also we have we are using here jQuery, okay, and also we have the jQuery form something. So let me show you something step by step what we're doing here. So leave it right now, this one, okay. We have the form, and yes, we have the form, and we are using here CSR token protections basically. So let me remove this one. We have the CSR we are using here, and inside the CSR we have the post method, and we have the ID, which ID we are basically, really this is so important, and we are using multiplied ENC type, basically multiplied because we are uploading images, okay. So now image, not images, and here we have the input name, and we have the name. First input is name, second input is we have the file which is image, okay. And now we have the button, and here we have the we have a created class which is the upload and images, okay. So if anyone hitting this particular button which is the upload image, okay, again we have a span here, and this span will show you alert, and also this upload underscore image will show you here image link, okay. So let me go inside below, and here we have the document.ready function, and friends, here we have the button which is the ID, basically upload underscore form, okay. So once anyone hitting the particular submitting the form, okay, we are getting the all data which inside the form, okay. Then again we calling the Ajax method, and we have the URL, and we have the method, okay. So once anyone hitting this particular URL, then I am going to inside of the controller, and we have the function here, okay. So inside of these functions we are validating the particular name and images, this is valid or not, okay. If everything is fine, then we are again, here we have the name and extension, we have the images, and we are using extension, and we are adding the time so we can get the particular use name, unique name of the images, okay. So we have created unique name, then we are, but this image we are moving inside the folder which is we have public, and inside public folder we have images, and we are storing this images which are uploading by the user, okay. Then I have created one variable, and where inside the variable we have the array, and we have the two fields, image and name. So here we have the name and images in two fields, then we are using below ORM, okay. So because we are implemented here, you can check we have the validator for the validation, and we have the model we are implementing here. So both of we are using here, suppose now here we have the created, and once a user successfully submitted the form, okay, then we are storing in JSON format. We have the success message, we have the uploaded images, and we have the class, okay. Let me show you. Here we have get the success message, and here we have explain here image message basically as a display none above, okay. We have the display none, and once successfully submitted the form, we are displaying as a block, and also we have implementing data success message something, okay. So data success are coming from this controller success image uploaded successfully. So if you want to change something, you can change from here, and here we have second one is images. So here we are storing inside session something, so we can pass data in view also, okay. And third one is we have the class name. Look, we have the class name which is the alert success. So this kind of technique we can show the alert also. So this is working fine, might be, okay. Let me show you again. Then you need to run PHP artisan serve, okay. Let me show you again. I'm going to refresh my page again. I'm going to put Laravel 8, and here we have the image. Let me show you dynamic logo something. Look, we have successfully getting the message. Let me again show you. Look, we have the Laravel 8, and we have the created and updated time. This is working fine. So hope so this is clear. So if you want this code, you can check out from my GitHub repository. I have already uploaded Laravel 8 Ajax images, and Okay, so even you can find from the my this comments description area also. And if you want to learn everything step by step also from my blog, so you can check out my blog, which is a realprogrammer.in. Okay, so please support my channel.